federal government has allocated a total of 9.36 billion naira for domestic and international travel, as well as refreshment for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima in 2025. NaijaNews reports that this information is detailed in the 2025 Appropriation Bill released by the Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning. The expenses are part of the 49.7 trillion naira budget proposal sent to the National Assembly on Wednesday. The budget, titled Restoration Budget Securing Peace and Building Prosperity, highlights allocations for various aspects of governance. For President Tinubu, 7.44 billion naira has been set aside for travel and refreshments, 6.14 billion naira for international travel, 873.9 million naira for local trips, 431.6 million naira for refreshments, meals and catering supplies. For Vice President Shettima, 1.9 billion naira has been allocated, 1.31 billion naira for international travel, 417.5 million naira for local trips, 186.02 million naira for refreshments, meals and catering supplies. An analysis by GovSpend, a civic technology platform that tracks government expenditures, revealed that in the first quarter of 2024, President Tinubu, Vice President Kashim Shettima, and First Lady Remi Tinubu spent 5.24 billion naira on both local and international travel. However, the Office of the Presidency proposed 4.76 billion naira for vehicles, including 3.66 billion naira for acquiring operational vehicles for the State House, 1 billion naira for replacing sports utility vehicles (SUVs), 255.7 million naira for car purchases, including 127.8 million naira for SUVs for the President and Vice President, and another 127.8 million naira for operational vehicles within the Presidential Conference Car Unit (CCU) fleet. Additionally, 5.94 billion naira has been earmarked for honorarium, fuel, and the construction of an office complex for special advisors and senior special assistants. This includes 2.1 billion naira for sitting allowances and honoraria, 1.99 billion naira for fuel, 1.83 billion naira for the construction of the office complex. These allocations have sparked widespread interest and criticisms from Nigerians, given the scale and the ongoing scrutiny of the government expenditures. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.